Alam ko yung pakiramdam na hanggang kaya mo, ginagawa mo. Yung pinipilit mo yung sarili mo, hindi mapagod. Kasi kilala mo yung sarili mo na kapag napagod ka na, nawawalan ka ng gana sa lahat. Tapos hindi mo na naman alam kung paano ka magsisimula. Hindi mo na naman alam kung paano ka mabangon ulit. Pagod na pagod na po yung prinsesa. Ma, hindi ko po alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. Ma, pakiyakap naman po ako. Ma, gusto ko sabihin na, ma, hindi ko na kaya. Ma, mapagod na ako. Ma.
Akala nila okay ako. Nakikita nila na masaya ako. Pero hindi nila alam. Sa kabila ng mga ngiti at tawa ko, kapag mag-isa ako, umiiyak ako. Na sobrang bigat ang nararamdaman ko.
Sa magulong mundong to, parang gusto ko na lang magpahinga. Napagod na ako.
Alam mo kung ano yung nakakatakot? When someone start liking you, pero di pa naman talaga nila kilala kung sino ka. They see you as this nice, confident, strong person, pero di nila alam you break down too. You make mistakes. You get lost, you messed up. Yung version mo na tahimik, yung masungit. Kasi to be honest, I'm not always strong. Sometimes I just pretend to be okay. But you know what I realize? You don't have to hide the messy part of you just to be loved. Kasi imaginein mo, if totoo yung pagmamahal, it won't fade when they see your flaws. It will grow deeper because of it. So if someone stay after seeing the parts of you that are not perfect,
But to be honest, this year wasn't perfect. There were moments I cried and felt the weight of sadness. Yet here I am, standing strong, having survived it all. My greatest achievement is simply being here today, breathing, living, and moving forward.